What up, y'all? It's Dominic Holmes from FullTimePressure.com, and this is how you apply pressure. Today, we're going to talk about easily publishing a book, establishing yourself as an authority. I know you think you got to go through a whole bunch of writing and stuff, but that's not the case, and it has never been the case. Especially in the new millennium, the age of information. You have a myriad, a gang of information available to you for free. I'm going to start out talking about governmental information sources, the Library of Congress. I want to show you something. And this is some double sauce, double pressure right here. This going to hurt a lot of people in the credit repair industry. It's going to hurt their feelings, and that's okay. Because pressure either make diamonds or it bust pipes. So we're starting out. Lawyers Reference Guide, Fair Debt Collection Practice Act. This is the second volume. And then the Truth in Lending Act. This is public information. LibraryofCongress.com. When you go into this book that's sold on Amazon for $10, what is it? Is simple citations of public information, the United States Code. There's no information that tells you what to do. It just tells you the laws. The most valuable thing in this world is information, and that's the real pressure. Find information that people need and use and appreciate and value, and put it in one place for them. When you put that information in one place for people, they look at you as their go-to guy. This is information marketing. Again, we look at this very generic Lawyer's Reference Guide, the Truth in Lending Act, enacted May of 2018, United States Congress. All it is the laws on lending. You can find these same laws in any United States law books, the United States Code, any U.S. government website, and you can copy and paste this same information in a book. You can compile information on whatever you want. Check out the note for users. This publication does not represent an official, revision of any federal law and should not be cited as legal evidence of law. It is designed to serve as a reference aid, reproducing updated versions of certain key statutes as maintained by the Office of the Legislative Counsel of the United States Congress. The official version of federal laws found in the United States statutes at large and the United States Code, available at http://uscode.house.gov. Before relying solely on the contents of this publications, such official versions should be consulted. This publication has a cutoff date of June 2019, meaning, from 2018 to 2019, those are when the laws are most likely to stay the same. So they put a disclaimer in there and everything. It's a real easy process, a simple process to create a book. And again, this is just law information. Put the disclaimer over here. Note to users on the other page. And this is the same thing that you see in the law books. The same thing. You want to learn about credit repair? These are the books you need. These are the laws you need. Fair Debt and Credit Reporting Act, Truth in Lending Act. That's what you need for credit repair, improve your credit, all your stuff like that. That's what you need for that. But again, citing the law and using the law to make a book, again, they didn't give any legal advice. They just made a reference book. They made a reference book and they're making money, so it's no excuse for anyone who's not getting money out here. I said it before, I'll say it again. There's not a wealth gap. There's an information gap. Look forward to my up and coming book on the subject. And if you want to learn more about marketing, advertising, and growing your business in the Black community, Make sure you're following Full Time Pressure on YouTube, Instagram, and all social media.